Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn file uploading, not even single file, but we upload the multiple files. So if you really like my videos, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. So keep watching full video till end, and without any delay, let's get started. Lab, let's go. This is a cakephp here, and this application is connected to the database. And in the database, I have a table gallery. It's a single table here, and in the gallery table, I just keep it very simple. Just there are two columns: title and images. Created and modified is a default behavior of the cakephp. It adds the date here, right? So before anything, we have to create a model. So I just create a model for this table gallery through the bake command. So I type here bin cake bake, set the model and table name. Table name is gallery, right? Just press enter. The model is created here. Now in the same way, we have to create a controller. So I just create controller, press enter. Yes, it's created. And if I type here a gallery, yeah, it's working. Don't worry about this. Template is missing because we don't yet create a template here. So quickly generate a template in the same command, bake command, bin cake bake template gallery. Yeah, it's working. Oh man, really, it's very amazing commands. Sorry. So here is a table, index table here, which are representing this table and this information like ID, title, images. So it's all rows are here. Now click on the add new gallery. It's a form. If I type here anything like test and demo, it's already working. If I hit the submit button, yeah, it's working. The record is saved here. But we want to upload a file here, so we have to change this text field into the file. So just open the Sublime and go to the template gallery and add.php file, and here you can see this is the default behavior of the cakephp. It set the control for any fields regarding our table, right? So we just replace with file. Yeah, we get here a file button. We can choose any file and images here. Okay, so now we have to open controller. Go to the controller and open the gallery controller. Scroll down and find the add method, and this is the add method. Before I submit a file here, let me show you something. So type gallery, this is an entity, and if I set here test and choose file, images, I just take an images from here and this submit button. Yes, we get here image and title here, right? But if I remove this here and refresh the page, it's a save, but image is not saved in the folder right now. cakephp provide some methods to upload the images. So let me show you what's going here. If I set here request get data, and once again I go in add method and choose any file, you can see we get the files here, because in the add.php file in the template folder we don't set here multi-part form data. You must remember, when we are working with the file uploading in the HTML, we define in the form ink type multi-part form data. So this is required for uploading any images, any file. So how can we set in the cakephp this? It's very simple. Just type here array and set the type keyword key and set here a file. So this array converted into the file part form data. Let me show you here. Where is form? Yeah, this is here. The ink type generate from this key, right? So this array is required for a multi-form data. Now refresh the page and type here test, choose any image and press the submit button, and here we get the object of the file here, right? We get here a stream, we get here a size, we get here a client file name. Go through with the this method to fetch this information, but cakephp recommended a new method in the cakephp which is called get uploaded files. So if I refresh the page, we get here the same array object which we get before, but this is the recommended way. Now I just set here a new variable, and this variable took the file from this method, and here if I refresh the page and we get the same thing. Now if we want to get the size, we just type here get size. Oh, I'm sorry. Here, oh yes, the this variable is not a single object, it's an array. Let me show you. Yes, it's a image keyword here. So just type here images, and yes, we get the properties here. Now we can get size. Yes, we get size here. In the same way, we can get the file name, the client file name. In the same way, just type here get, because this is a private property. We can fetch the private property in the cakephp. It's first prefix get, right? So just type and refresh the page, we get here a file name, right? So in the same way, there are many properties like mem type. We can get the mem type here. In the same way, we get the mem type in this way. So whatever you like, you can save in the table, but in this video I just save the image name and title here. Okay, so now it's done. The second thing we have to need, save this file into the database. In this column, just type here a gallery and image. The column name is image. Yeah, images. The column name is images, and file image get client file name. Now we have to move this file into the directory where we want to save this file. So cakephp provide a very easy method. So just type here in the same way file images and move to and set here a path of the directory where you want to save the images. In cakephp, we have a webroot directory where is our css and gsl file. Even here is the image folder. We want to save the images into the image folder. So how can we do this? Just simply type here root. First we have to make sure it's the right one. I think it's the right one. www root, open the browser, refresh. Yes, it's a webroot directory. So now it's working for us. And set here image. Yes, these constants are already declared in the cakephp bootstrap file. Oh, sorry, path files, I think. So don't worry about this. And the next thing, we want to file name. I think I must use the gallery and images here. Now this file is saved into this image folder. Okay, so now all done. And just see, if I refresh the page, we get error here. What is this, man? Oh yes, it's a Linux problem, because in the Linux we have to set the permissions for every directory. So okay, don't worry, we can just type chomdr webroot. I think 775 is good. Yes, working. If I refresh the page, yeah, it's done. And we can get here a file and go to the directory. Yes, we get here our images. We get here our image which we upload from the our controller. So again, I think first we have to delete it all and go to the here and set here candy. Go to the picture. Yes, this is fantastic. Submit. Yeah, images upload. Go to the directory, and here we get image. So in that way, we upload the images in the cakephp. It's very simple steps. Just set the type file in the form and set the file button in the form, and in the controller side just simply get the file objects into the single variable, and this variable holds the field name, and after that we can get everything regarding our image information, right? So this is a very simple way, guys, about the file uploading. And in the next video we will learn how to upload the multiple images in cakephp. All right, so thanks for watching for video. God bless you all. Meet you very soon in the next video. Thank you very much.